absolutely love the process here. I'm doing a lot more pre-work before I start my series this time, and I always start with a mood board and a colour palette, and obviously I have a lot of ideas in my head already what I want this series to be about, but this time I want to just do a little bit more work up front. I'm going to carry a sketchbook along the series, and also I always want to paint large. The largest I've painted is 1 meter by 150, and I've ordered more canvases. I've also ordered 2 1 by 150 meters canvases, and then I had a little thought. So I had this sheet of cotton canvas which I've had for several years, and it's just been lying around. I haven't used it. I mean, there's more than this, and I've basically just hung the 2 1 by 150 canvases on the wall, onto my painting wall, and then stretched this raw canvas on top of it. So basically this might not be a finished painting later, but I really want to experiment on a large scale and see really that freedom and that immersive experience of being in such a large canvas, and see if I actually like it, and if I want to do more of that in the future, potentially one day. So my thought for this is to just experiment, use some like leftover paint, and also I've already pre-mixed some colours that I want to use for my new series, and just experiment with those colours, see how they work together, and just play.
Have you ever felt his fingertips sending shivers down your spine? It's enough to make you lose your sense, enough to make you lose your mind. There's magic in the way he moves, always steady, ever wild. When all this heartbreak he holds close, and feel it in the way he sighs. Maybe there's a way to fake. I can stop my hands from shaking every time I feel like a fool. But all I know is I'll be awake for an hour or two. But for now, oh for now, it's the awakening in my chest. It's the changing of the moon. It's the way I know one day when I'm old, I might not have you. Oh, maybe there's a God above. If he can see just how to love, then maybe we could all make it through. But all I know is I need you here for an hour or two. Just for now, oh for now, I want you, 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 I want you. I hope you never lose your place. I hope you never lose your place. Oh, my neck at the corner of my face. I hope you never lose your. I hope you never lose your place. Below my neck at the corner of my face. So give me your walls to break. There's nothing else I couldn't take. All my love and wait on you. But all I know is I'll be awake for an hour or two. But for now, oh for now, for now, oh for now, I've got you.
I absolutely love the process here and just being so immersed inside the painting almost. And I would love to create more large-scale work like this, or even just slightly smaller than what I've been working on. I actually also love the result here. It's just so happy and feels full of energy. I would probably not call this a finished painting, but I am thinking of creating a piece that's this size as part of my new series, with 2 panels though, rather than 1 large canvas. And I'm going to share more on this series very soon, so keep an eye out for more videos. And if you'd like to know how I would actually turn this into a finished painting with a great composition, then you can download my Intuitive Artist's Composition Guide, which I'll link down below. Until then, thanks and bye bye.